Okay, let's go ahead and finish these examples here for multiplying fractions. Remember, the rules are multiply the numerator times the numerator, and then the denominator times the denominator, and simplify. Or you can try and reduce inside the problem first. So let's show it both ways. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. And then you can simplify here. The numbers are pretty small, so you can do that. Divide this by 3, divide this by 3, and I get 2 over 15 divided by 3 is 5. That's in simplest form. That is one way to do it. Another way to do it would be to simplify these. They're the same number, so I'm going to divide them by themselves. So I get 1. And 2 and 5 can't be simplified, so I go top times top, 2, 1 times 5, 5, bottom times bottom, and I get 2/5. So that's a little bit faster way to do it. Same thing here. Look at my 4s. I can divide them by themselves. 4 divided by 4, I get 1. 4 divided by 4, I get 1. 2 and 9, I can't simplify. I've looked this way, I've looked this way. Now I can go straight across. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 9 is 9. That's in simplest form. That's your final answer. All right, now this one's a little different. It has a whole number. How are you going to make a whole number look like a fraction, but still be worth the same amount? So if I want 5 to look like a fraction, I have to put a 1 underneath it. So 5 over 1 is equal to 5. 6 over 1 is equal to 6. 8 over 1 is equal to 8, and so on. So it's the same thing. 5 is the same thing as 5 over 1. Now I just do it the same way. So I've got 5 and 10 across from each other. I can divide those by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. I've checked that way. Now I want to check this way. 1 and 3 can't simplify, so now I'm ready to go straight across. I look this way, I look this way, I'm going to cross the street. Top times top is 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. Ooh, but now I have an improper fraction. You can't leave improper fractions like that. You have to change them to mixed numbers. So this is the type where you would, in your head, you would just do it. But if you can't do it in your head, take the top number divided by the bottom number. 2 goes into 3 one time. I get 1 left over. Read it like a clock. 1 1/2. Final answer, 1 1/2. All right, one more to do. Again, I have a whole number, but this time it's in the second position. I want to put a 1 underneath that so that it looks like a fraction. Now, go ahead and see if you can cross simplify. I can simplify 8 and 16. I know that 8 goes into both of them. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 16 divided by 8 is 2. I've checked that way. Let's check this way. 1 and 7. It can't be simplified anymore. So now I'm going to go straight across. Numerator times numerator. 7 times 2 is 14. 1 times 1 is 1. Well, we just said that all of those are equal to themselves. So 14 over 1, you would want to show it by saying it's 14.